Dobar dan na svite. Gospodine gradonačelnik Dimitrievski, добре рано. Съм изрекан да съм тук и може да продължам на английски. I'm very happy to be here. I met with the mayor. With the mayor, I wanted to visit Kumanovo because it's a very important town, a city where there is already the presence of Italian investors. There is also teaching of Italian language, and we discussed a lot with the mayor how to develop this investment. I think that we can have a lot of partnership with the European Union and also bilaterally with Italy. There are many fields when we can do more. We are already present in the field of shoes, but we can develop investments also in the field of agro-food and many other industrial fields. So I hope that through this visit we will begin to develop this process, and I'm sure that especially when the COVID situation, COVID pandemic will be over, we will have a real step forward in our relation. Thank you.
Good.